Okay, so here is my farmer's cheese recipe. We're fixing to make Gibnit Nazara, Arabic for farmer's cheese, right, baby? The milk we brought up to temperature for about 30 minutes, mixing and stirring so it didn't burn until it was to boiling. And it's 1 pint of heavy cream, and now we are going to add in the vinegar, just a little bit. And once the vinegar is...
2 tablespoons of vinegar.
Thank you, Chef Vito. Once the vinegar is added in, stir and stir and stir and stir and stir. And it will start to curdle. And when it starts to curdle, that's when you get cheese. And it's starting to right now. Just a tiny bit more vinegar.
If it's not enough, you can add 1 more tablespoon vinegar.
Alright, so this is it. We're now going to put it through a sieve and some cheesecloth. See how it hangs onto it? And it will be cheese after we mix in some seasonings.